Hello, I'm Professor Brian Candido, and I welcome you to CSC-105, Computer Programming in Python. So I'm going to quickly take you through how the course is set up to get you familiar with it. When you first land on the course, you should see the course description along with the required textbook. You do not need this required textbook until week 2. So if you want to order it used off of Amazon or Chegg or some other resource that you can get it from, please do so. I've also made arrangements where you can get it for $29.99 on VitalSource using this ISBN number. If you click here, you will see the announcements for the class, which will be very similar to the ones I'm going to email out to you as well. So you click here, and here is welcome to class. And what I'd like you to do is watch this video, which you're hopefully doing right now. Action item 2 is to order or buy your book or lease it, or rent it, I guess is the word. Click on the syllabus to learn about this course and the expectations of it and the student learning outcomes. Then once you have read the syllabus, you need to take a syllabus quiz. And I ask you to scroll down to the modules and start looking at the week 1 material. So we are going to go back. We're going to go back from the announcements. And right here, if you want to find out about me, I've been working in the IT field for many years. I've been coding for, I don't even want to admit this, for close to 40 years, and I hope that enthusiasm comes through to you. Here is the syllabus quiz that you should take after you have read the syllabus. And you'll notice that all the modules are open for you. You are not required to do all the work up front. You can go ahead if you wish, or you can just stay with the dates I have on each of the modules. Some modules, as you notice, weeks 3 and 4, we spend 2 weeks on input, output, and processing, which are very important topics. So you can just click here to expand it, and then you'll see some postings from me. Why do I need a programming course? Content that I'd like you to look at, videos I'd like you to watch. You need to install Python. And you need to do this by the end of week 1. Week 2 is when you start using the book. And IDE is an integrated development environment, and there are several you can use for Python. And right here, I mentioned some of them. And I actually have a folder here that shows you how to install and create your very first program in each of these. And then we talk about logic. Anything to do with computers is logic-based, and these are just fun challenges for you to work with. Week 2 pretty much follows the format we're going to do for all the other modules. So let's expand week 2. You can go ahead if you wish, but you can also go week by week. And basically you will find in each module the learning objectives, the things I want you to learn and things you will know when you're done. And I have code samples. You have a link to the video if you want to watch it by clicking right here. I also have the PowerPoint presentations from the chapter, from the book publisher, and you have a quiz. Let's go look at week 3 and 4. That is where you're really getting into the groove of what we'll be doing in this course. Here, the learning objectives can be found here. And notice the same format, PowerPoints, followed by things I'd like you to know. So right here, I have an introduction to the data types. You click on here and opens up a PowerPoint and introduces you to the different data types that you can find in Python. I strongly recommend you read the chapter and then come look at the learning module content. And then you should go to how to convert to the different data types. I have some documents to help you. So I always have things I want to share with you. And then down here, you will see code sample 1, then code sample 2. If you click here, you will actually open up the code, and if you click here, you can watch the video that goes along with the code. So like right here, I click here, and here's the video, and you should be able to download the source code if you want to, which is right here. These are the Python source codes, and here are the 3 videos that corresponds with them. And at the end of each module, let me go back. Again, here's some more code samples. Here's some more introductory stuff I'd like to show you. if you keep scrolling down, at the bottom of each module, I have sometimes challenges. I share code with you, and then I want you to try to write the code, and then I give you the answer. But it's probably best you try before you look at the answer. And if you keep going down a little bit longer, you will see I have all the book samples provided by the publisher, and here's where you get into assignments. In this particular learning module, there's knowledge checks on the data types, there's knowledge checks on arithmetic and operators, and formatting, and then you have a quiz, and then you have your very first program you have to write, and that is due on February 21st. So I hope you acclimate yourselves to this class. I hope you learn a lot in this class, and I'm excited to have you in it. And of course, you can email me at any time, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.